Hi all, it's Ilya here. Guys, that's how this ambient light looks during daytime. And it's not on maximum brightness, so I'm gonna adjust it now and we'll see. No, I lied to you, it was a full brightness, but during daytime it's fine. You don't see, as I thought before, you would see like all of this imperfection, because still it's aftermarket stuff, and when you're gonna put it inside, insert it between the plastic, it's still not look as smooth as it's supposed to be. So for instance, I'm gonna show you how it looks. Look at this spot, I couldn't push it all the way there for some reason, I don't know, there is a steel gap, and if you see it, it's supposed to be like that, and here like stick out a little bit, and also here where this door is, so it has to go all the way there, but there is a bit problem. I'm not sure if it's plastic still cold because it's plus 8.5 Celsius, so it's not real hot, and this is the main problem. On this side you barely see it, but on this side like you can see it's imperfection, but in terms of here I like it. It's, I guess, how it's supposed to be. And this guy here, I got tape, but I'm gonna make something up because now you can see it. And when you're driving, actually you don't really see it, but I don't really like this like tape, but I did it at night time, so